The energy class of an appliance is a scale from A to G, which is indicative of the efficiency of the appliance. When we talk about the efficiency of the appliance, of the device, we mean how well it can convert electricity into the form of energy needed to produce the task for which it is intended. A heater, for example, to heat our room. It is now compulsory for all electrical appliances to be labeled with their energy class within the European Union. To understand the importance of the energy class, let us take the example of two light bulbs, an old technology incandescent bulb and a LED bulb. If we look at the packaging of a LED bulb, we will notice an indication such as 70 watts is equal to 14 watts. What does this mean? This means that this new 14-watt LED lamp gives the same brightness as an old 70-watt incandescent lamp. In other words, the new lamp achieves the same result as the incandescent lamp with less energy consumption. The LED lamp is therefore more efficient than the incandescent lamp and is therefore classified in a higher energy class. When choosing an electrical device, we should first know what we need this device to do. Let's say I need a 1600 lumen bulb to illuminate a 10 square meter room with bright lighting, and I have to choose one of the three lamps shown in this picture. If I want to reduce energy waste, I should choose the bulb with the lowest electrical power that will give 1600 lumen of light. Therefore, I will choose the 12-watt LED lamp. In other words, I choose the most efficient solution that also meets my specifications. Another example is ceramic hobs for cooking. There are various cooktop technologies that use electricity in different ways to heat our food. Ceramic hobs need to consume much more energy to cook the same amount of food than induction hobs, as the following illustration comparing different cooking hob technologies demonstrates graphically. The most important thing you can do to avoid wasting energy is to use a device only when you need it and for as long as you need it. So, for example, one could turn off the light in a room where no one is present, wash clothes in the washing machine at a lower temperature, if that is the temperature at which the clothes will be washed well, or turn down the thermostat on a radiator to the extent that this lower temperature in the room is also acceptable and pleasant. The adoption of ecological and economic habits cannot be replaced by any new technology or any other measure. The rule reduce, reuse, recycle is applied also to energy consumption, except for that we cannot easily reuse or recycle the energy. The most energy-intensive appliances in our homes are usually the ones that give off heat. These include radiators, electric water heaters, electric cookers, electric kettles, or irons. These devices are expected either to heat something, such as a metal cooker hob, a metal plate, the air, etc., usually reaching high temperatures, for example, 200 degrees Celsius in the case of the oven, or to heat large quantities of water or air to not so high temperatures. Achieving and maintaining these high temperatures, on the one hand, requires large amounts of energy in the case of an electric cooker or electric iron, while in the case of an electric water heater, raising the temperature of the water by 1 degree Celsius requires a lot of energy due to the high heat capacity of the water. For this reason, these devices are extremely energy consuming.